na ako sa appointment ko sa doctor. Saan tayo pupunta after? Sa Richmond, okay. Naabutan pa tayo dito sa signal naman. Magmamadali na nga eh. Sinuot ko yung mask ko. Ang layo kasi ng Ha? Ang layo kasi ng inikutan. Ang layo kasi ng Ang layo kasi ng inukita. Ang layo. Ang layo kasi ng inikutan namin. Inikita. Inikutan. Oh my God. Ang layo kasi ng inikutan namin. Ano ba yan, baby? Now I don't know how to talk.
It took you like a heart to try.
Yeah, inikutan. So, kada nagrigat mo tag-Tagalog.
That sounds like gibberish.
Yeah. Nahilo na ako. Nakalimutan ko pa naman yung kung white flower. Oh, Daddy is calling. Wait. 12:15 yung schedule ko. Pero 12 nasa daan pa lang kami.
12:15?
Yeah, I'm late.
You're super
So, malapit lang naman na. Kaya lang na-stuck na naman kami dito sa signal. Late na ako.
It's a mommy and daughter date.
Yes.
Once upon a time, there was a little red fox.
Okay, mag-practice ka. Again?
Wait,
Sige na.
I don't know.
Just say something.
Okay, you give me the sentence. What should I say?
Bahala ka na kung anong sasabihin mo. Just talk.
Once upon a time, in
In a British accent.
once upon a time, in a dark and deep meadow in the I don't know. I was like, what?
Ayan, nandito na kami.
One out of one.
You're smart.
How's far?
Bilisan natin, late na tayo. Late na ako. Late na tayo. Ano ba yan? Akyat na tayo sa Alban? Ipaparegister pa ako.
Actually,
Halika na. Maghahagdan na lang kami. Ang tagal nung lift. Yeah. Thank you.
this one keeps on.
So, mother and daughter date kami. Ayan. No need, no need. Ayan, bumili siya ng hot choco. Okay, inumin mo muna yung ano mo. You drink first the hot choco and then you go later.
I want to drink it while we're walking. I'm gonna fall.
Kaya gusto mong sumama dito, no? Ha? Kaya gusto mong sumama dito sa doctor kasi may Costa dito.
Oh, it's okay.
Ah. Nag-take out siya ng chicken turkey. Ham and turkey. Ano ba yun? Chicken ham and turkey sandwich. At saka, ano yung isa, baby? Ano yung isang kinuha mo?
Can I go now?
Yeah, wait. Ito yung isang tinake out niya. And the other one, mga paborito nila ito eh. Turkey ham and chicken turkey toast. Merienda nila sa bahay nila. Okay, so let's go to Reef Mall.
We went to the washroom first. She said we have to go to that.
Okay, you wait for me here. Magsalita ka naman, salita dyan, okay? Yun na. Enjoy your hot chocolate. Okay, let's go to Reef Mall. Tara na.
Can you put this inside?
Ah, dapat humingi ka ng ano, lalagyan. Yun. Oh. Para na kami ng taxi, guys. Pupunta kami ng Reef Mall ni Baby. Mabilis lang kami natapos sa doctor kasi wala masyadong
What
pasyente.
happened to my boat?
Hi, Reef Mall. Put on your seatbelt. Huh? Did you finish? finish it?
I finished it. And then we're gonna buy clay.
Clay? Saan tayo bibili ng clay? Sa Daiso?
No.
Where?
So,
So, they have clay there?
remember we bought.
Okay.
I need a clay and a container.
And
Container. Like
container?
a few containers. Like 2 small containers.
Why?
Or 3.
For what?
It's a secret. You're gonna know in a week or 2.
May pa secret.